Welcome to this video on Build Your Portfolio. After watching this video, you will be able to identify the importance of a portfolio and list the components of building one. You will also demonstrate how to build a strong portfolio. Before diving into the details of creating a portfolio for a mobile app developer, let's first understand why having a portfolio is important in the field of mobile application development. A portfolio represents your skills, experiences, and accomplishments. It also showcases your best work, demonstrates your UX/UI design capabilities, and highlights your feature implementation and problem-solving abilities. A portfolio should include your latest work sample demonstrating your expertise in developing mobile applications. However, employers look for various skills in mobile app developer, including technical abilities, communication skills, and business acumen. If you have enrolled in any certification or degree program related to mobile app development, you can add your research or a capstone project to your portfolio. For example, you can include the meditation or habit mobile application developed in this capstone project using React Native or Flutter. Highlight this project in your portfolio by providing an overview section where you can include a name and concise description of the application. You can also highlight tech stack, such as React Native, Flutter, JavaScript, or TypeScript, APIs, and UI/UX libraries. Also, write the application's key features, such as persistent data storage for preferences and progress tracking, API integration for recommendations, dark or light mode, and push notifications for reminders. Let's look at the key components that help you to build your portfolio. If you have permission, include work from your previous organization. Also, consider including any projects you worked on as an intern in your portfolio. Add detailed descriptions of your most exciting projects and highlight your skills in various areas of mobile app development, such as UX/UI design, user stories, features implemented, and the outcomes achieved. This shows your professionalism and expertise as a mobile app developer. Focus on highlighting successful projects that have a significant impact on clients. Showcase the statistics and metrics that represent the success of each project, such as download numbers, user ratings and feedback, and client testimonials. Include links to centralized storage spaces, such as GitHub repositories or snippets of created user stories to showcase your abilities in creating user stories for mobile applications. Add screenshots or demos of your application's UI, UX designs to represent your design skills. Add your personal contribution as a lead developer, designer, or project manager to each project in the portfolio. Also, include a variety of projects such as gaming applications, productivity, e-commerce, or healthcare to demonstrate your versatility as a mobile app developer. This represents your experience working on a diverse range of mobile applications. Include visuals such as screenshots, videos, and interactive videos of your developed mobile applications in your portfolio to stand out to employers. Keeping your portfolio updated with your latest developed applications and accomplishments is also important. A strong portfolio catches employers' eyes and opens exciting opportunities for mobile app developers. Let's understand how to build a strong portfolio. For building a portfolio, first write your professional objectives and personal information such as name, email, contact number, and professional links, including GitHub and LinkedIn. Also, provide a brief introduction about yourself. Include your educational information, programming language skills, tools, and soft skills. List projects with their title and description, including problems faced, solutions provided, and tools used in the portfolio. You can also include GitHub or live demo links here. List the selected platforms for the code-based and non-code-based applications. For example, Flutter, React Native, HTML, CSS, or JavaScript are platforms for code-based applications. However, Wix, WordPress, or Notion are platforms for non-code-based applications. Discuss the folder structure for the code-based platforms in your portfolio and provide code examples. However, mention the template used for non-code-based applications. Add interactive features such as animations using CSS or libraries such as AOS Lite and dark themes, and search functionality for projects or blog posts could help build a strong portfolio. Review your mobile app development portfolio and ask professionals from your field to review it. Make necessary improvements. Finally, deploy your portfolio using GitHub Pages, Vercel, or Netlify. Optimize your portfolio according to search engine optimization or SEO, and share the portfolio on LinkedIn, GitHub, and other professional forums. Updated portfolio demonstrates your professional growth as a mobile app developer. In this video, you learned a portfolio is an incredible way to showcase your skills and expertise directly to employers. Portfolio includes your various projects, skills, and represents your personal contribution to each mobile app development. Building a strong portfolio includes personal information, a brief introduction, skills, projects, and experience. Adding interactive features, themes, and search functionality make your portfolio appealing. An updated portfolio showcases your professional growth.